It's indeed my great pleasure to have you here. By watching this video, it shows you are a great parent who wants the best for his or her child. You are here to know the 5 things I did that changed my son's story from that of a child that causes us heart pain and shame to a child that we can be proud of. I am not going to waste your time. I will show you everything within the next 5 minutes. It's important that you watch this video to the end because I have a small gift for you at the end of the video. Now, get a pen and a jotter. Let me show you what we did. Well, we only changed 5 things for my son, and the 5 things turned his destiny around up to today. I want you to pay close attention to these 5 things. They are so powerful. They will change your child's performance forever. First, we helped him change his belief about himself and about his ability. See, the reason many children are not doing well in learning is because of their belief. Because my son had failed severally in the past, he formed a belief that he didn't have what it takes to excel in learning. See, actions go in the direction of belief. When a child believes he can achieve something, he will unleash his full efforts to achieve it. For example, if a child believes he's not good at mathematics, he will not like mathematics classes. He will not work mathematics, and eventually he will write a math test and he will fail. He will then use the failure to reinforce his belief. He will say something like, "I said it, I am not good at math." And this is how he will keep having challenges in math. Without helping him to alter the negative, disempowering belief, nothing will work for this child. Get a home lesson teacher from heaven. The child's performance will not change. The truth is that these children have a lot of negative, disempowering belief they are holding on to. Without breaking these negative beliefs, they can't do well in learning. Now, after helping my son break his multiple disempowering beliefs, we went further to show him what top students do differently. See, there are basically 2 learning strategies. 1, the top student learning strategies, and 2, the below average student strategy. We showed him the top student strategies. We showed him the first thing top students do when they wake up in the morning. And if you are taking a guess, it's not prayer. We showed him what top students do before the class. We showed him what the top students do during the class. We showed him what the top students do immediately after the class. We showed him the things top students do every day when they get home. We showed him the important things top students have in their rooms that keep them focused and motivated. We showed him how top students study. See, success leaves blueprint. If your child will do what top students do, they will also get the same result top students usually get. As simple as that. After showing my son what top students do differently, the third thing we showed him was how to use his time wisely. See, the reason most children are struggling in learning is not because they have a bad brain. The reason they are struggling is because they are too distracted. We showed him how to use his time to pursue his goals of excelling in his studies. We showed him some common time wasters that he needed to avoid. We showed him how to make best use of his time in the class. Do you know that some children can be in the class and yet be wasting their time in the class there? We gave him the techniques to handle distractions and procrastination. We gave him top student timetable template to use. Equipped with all of this, my son was ready for success. But you know what? We didn't stop there. We went further to show him some powerful study techniques. See, if anyone tells you there is no secret to learning, it's either the person is ignorant or is not telling you the truth. We showed him the class time maximization techniques. We showed him the whole brain note taking and making techniques. We showed him how to read once and never forget again. We showed him the power of memorization as against cramming. We showed him the power of brain optimization techniques. We didn't stop there. We showed him how to leverage the internet to study. With this, he needed no home lesson teacher. That was all. He followed the instructions and he got the desired result for me. He moved from the 18th position to 3rd position in 1 term. Yes, you heard me well, 1 term. And since that time up till now, he is always among the best in his classes. These were the things we did that changed my son's results up to today. At this junction, you have 2 options. 1, to figure out things by yourself and apply everything I've shown you here to your child. I believe it will change your child's performance. And the second option you have is to give me the chance to hold your child's hand and teach your child. I'm a cognitive psychologist. I'm a professional brain coach. I know how to relate with these children better than you. I will show them the principles and the strategies to excel in learning. I have packaged the coaching session into 5 modules for your child. I will help them identify their negative, disempowering belief that has been holding them back from unleashing their very best into their studies. I will show them the techniques to break the disempowering beliefs. I will show them one word they need to use very often to keep them motivated at all times. I will show them the 20 things that top students do differently that give them top marks. I will show your child what top students do before the class, during the class, and after the class. I will show your child what top students do immediately after the dinner every day. I will show them 5 powerful study techniques that guarantee changes in their performance within 2 weeks, and many other things. I know today's students don't have patience to watch long video. That is why I have made the video short videos but highly engaging. Now, the question in your mind is, how much is this coaching section video? Well, I used to sell this coaching session for 25,000 naira before, but I discovered that not many parents could afford 25,000 naira. And my aim is to touch lives with this coaching video. Therefore, for a limited time, you can get this coaching video for just 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira can't buy 1 pack of pizza. Pizza that they will eat today and pass out tomorrow. Now, the big question is, can you invest 5,000 naira in your child to end all learning challenges for your child once and for all? If you answer yes, then the instruction on how to get instant access to the coaching section is on the screen right now. I want to say a big thank you to you for taking out time to watch this video. Thank you and God bless you.